Hello and welcome back to our channel. In today's video we are going to explore the topic of what if we killed all snakes and the potential consequences that could arise from such an action. So make sure to stay tuned until the end. Have you ever found yourself shuddering at the sight of a snake? You're not alone. Snakes are one of the most feared creatures on the planet, and many people have a deep-seated fear of them. But have you ever stopped to think about the important role that snakes play in our ecosystem? In this video, we're going to explore the importance of snakes in our environment, debunk some common myths about them, and explain why it would be disastrous to kill them all. Snakes have been around for millions of years and have evolved to become some of the most successful and diverse predators on the planet. There are more than 3,500 different species of snakes, ranging in size from the tiny thread snake, which is only a few inches long, to the massive anaconda, which can grow up to 30 feet long. Snakes are found on every continent except Antarctica. Snakes play a vital role in the ecosystem, and their elimination could lead to a series of catastrophic consequences. One of the most critical roles that snakes play is in controlling rodent populations. Many snakes are carnivorous, and they feed on small rodents like rats and mice. Without snakes, the rodent population could skyrocket, leading to an increase in disease, destruction of crops, and other harmful effects. In addition, snakes are also important predators of other small animals like insects, birds, and even other snakes. The elimination of snakes could also have a significant impact on other species in the ecosystem. Many animals rely on snakes for food, including birds of prey, mammals, and even other snakes. If snakes were eliminated, these animals would have to find other sources of food, which could be challenging and disruptive to their ecosystems. For example, some bird species rely on snakes for food during their nesting season, and without them, their population could be affected. Snakes are apex predators that help control populations of other animals, such as rodents, insects, and frogs. Without snakes, these populations could explode, leading to imbalances in food chains and ecosystems. For example, rodents can cause crop damage and spread diseases, while insects can damage forests and crops. By eating these animals, snakes help regulate their populations and maintain a healthy balance. In addition, some species of snakes also play a crucial role in pollination. For example, some snakes feed on nectar and pollen, and their movement from flower to flower can help to spread pollen and fertilize plants. Without snakes, the pollination process could be affected, leading to a decline in plant species and affecting the ecosystem as a whole. If we killed all snakes, the impact on food chains could be significant. For example, if snakes were eradicated from a particular region, the population of their prey would increase, which could lead to competition for resources and overconsumption. As a result, some species could decline or even go extinct. Furthermore, the loss of snakes could impact the survival of other predators that rely on them for food. For example, birds of prey that eat snakes could face food shortages and reduced reproductive success, which could lead to declines in their populations. This, in turn, could impact other species that rely on these predators for food or habitat. Snakes are often feared because of their venomous bites, but they can also be beneficial to human health. Some snake venoms are used to produce antivenom, which can save the lives of people who have been bitten by venomous snakes. In addition, some snake venoms have been used in the development of new drugs to treat conditions like high blood pressure, heart disease, and even cancer. Without snakes, we could lose access to these important medical advancements. Contrary to popular belief, the vast majority of snakes are not venomous and pose little threat to humans. In fact, most snakes are shy and will try to avoid contact with humans whenever possible. Even venomous snakes will only bite in self-defense, and they will usually only do so as a last resort. Unfortunately, many people view snakes as a nuisance or a danger, and will go to great lengths to kill them. This is not only cruel but also incredibly short-sighted. Without snakes, our ecosystem would be thrown out of balance, and we could see a decline in biodiversity, an increase in disease, and even the extinction of some species. So, the next time you see a snake, remember that these incredible creatures play an important role in our ecosystem. They are not the monsters that many people make them out to be, and they deserve our respect and protection. By working to conserve snake populations and educating others about their importance, we can help to ensure that these amazing creatures continue to thrive for generations to come. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like and subscribe to our channel for more thought-provoking content. And don't forget to click the bell icon to receive notifications whenever we upload a new video. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.